gotta love this place, baby. My Macau, baby. Check out this space, maybe. My Macau, baby. Damn, baby. My Macau, baby. Whoa, maybe. Checking it out, baby. Gotta get out and go, baby. Whoa, baby. My Minda, maybe. My Macau, baby. Damn, baby. My Macau, baby. Whoa, maybe.
Hey, this street's called Barão, Rua de Barão. Let me kind of sneak up here a little bit. There's actually a really nice temple right in this yellow building right here. But we're going to be focusing on this street right here. I wouldn't mind showing you a little bit in that temple though. But this little street is named after a baron. We'll show you as well. We'll show you both streets. So we're going to go down in here, and then I think before we even go down this San Jose, there's a temple, so I'm gonna start in there. So stay tuned. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Let's do it. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna be going down that way. But before we do, there's a temple right inside here, this yellow building, which people might not know is actually there. So I'm gonna see if I can get in here. But yeah, let me just kind of take a look. So we were walking briefly on San Jose, but I think it's kind of interesting because this one is not very well known, but there's this beautiful, beautiful temple inside. I'm gonna stay a little quiet because I want to show respect. And there's like monastery down this way, so that kind of goes back. So that whole yellow building. There's also all of these too. Yeah, so this one I have filmed before, and I think the name is here. So you see the name up there, Kung Tak Lam. Kung Tak Lam. There'll be different spellings in English. But anyways, so that's actually inside of this whole yellow building right here. So we were actually, you can see that outside part, which is right there. So we are actually going to go around here. I got to get out of the road here. And now we're going to go around this way. So yeah, this whole yellow thing is all part of the same thing. Then this one goes down to the ocean. That's Caixa Lane, Travessa de Caixa. And then this is our target street, Barão. So here's the back side of it. It has a Kong Tak Lam. Then you can also see some different languages in here too. Like Sanskrit maybe? Okay. So yeah, kind of cool. Just gonna take a look down this little lane real quick. So this kind of like goes, everything goes downhill this way towards the ocean. So if it floods, this will probably be a big flooding spot. This patio. This probably goes into the temple. So yeah, but there's more. So that's also Travessa de Chanlok. And then we're actually going to be walking by, let me see what this one is. This is a little, wow. I don't think I've walked into here before. We actually have some businesses in here, Dimensions, and then it ends right there. And this will go up into the apartments up there. Then this yellow building is where the Barão used to be. So that big yellow one. So yeah, you can actually see all the trees at the top. So yeah, I think I was researching this once, and there was like a baron that owned this. And then this once would have overlooked the ocean as well. But yeah, now it's all kind of abandoned and overgrown. Let me take a look. So we're actually going to take a look around this area briefly. So we're going to walk up on where this gentleman is coming from. And then we can overlook this building. It's like the Barron building. Oops. So you can kind of see, so this whole thing, there's like, we have that wall right there, and then we have this whole space. And so it's kind of interesting. Let's go this way. So now you can see that it's all kind of overgrown. Yeah, a little house right there too. Yeah. And now these buildings, they would overlook this kind of historical, this would once would overlook the ocean, and now it's, you can kind of see there's lots of buildings that block it now. Macau just, you know, continually spreads upward. That's a hospital right there. Here's our place right here. Barão. Yeah, and I think this space right here was a factory, this green one, I think. So yeah, Barão kind of goes around like that, and then that I think was where the Baron would live, that historical building. Okay. It's a factory. And there's Rua de Barão. Then we come out to kind of an interesting spot. All kinds of stuff over here. So now we entered into like kind of all the Portuguese settlement was over here, and that little Rua de Barão would have overlooked the water, and then that that building would have overlooked that space because everything went down like that. Okay, so we're gonna end it right there for Rua do Barão.